Hi guys, I'm Chima and welcome to my channel BeardPanFry. If you're new to my channel, please go subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload more such videos. So today I'm going to share the recipe of egg curry with you. So my friend from Manipur made me try this recipe and I've been making it ever since, and it has never disappointed me. Trust me, if you follow the steps and make it the way I show you, it is gonna taste delicious. So without wasting any time, let's get started with the recipe and let me show you what ingredients are involved. Ingredients required are 2 medium onions, 2 medium tomatoes, 10 to 15 garlic cloves, 10 boiled eggs, red chilli powder 1.5 teaspoon, roasted cumin powder 1/2 teaspoon, and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, turmeric powder and black pepper. Salt according to your taste you can take. We'll take 2 potatoes peeled and chopped, green chillies 4, coriander and some oil to fry the eggs. Now we will cut the eggs into 2 halves using a wet knife. Why we use a wet knife is so that the yolk doesn't stick to the knife and it holds its shape. After this, we will heat some oil on high flame and add some salt to it. Once the oil is hot, we will add our boiled eggs. We will add the boiled eggs yolk first so that the yolk sticks to the egg white and retains its shape. When you fry the eggs like this, it's normal to see a lot of froth forming on the oil. We will fry the eggs from both the sides. And once we are done frying the eggs, we will take them out and use the same kadai to make our dish, as the oil in it has a lot of egg flavor in it. We will remove the excess oil and leave behind 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. Then we will add the chopped onions in it and fry them for another 20 to 30 seconds. Don't worry if you can't see the onions cause of the oil froth. It will go away in a few minutes. Just keep cooking how you normally do. After this, we will add the chopped garlic into it and cook it for another 20 to 30 seconds. Once our garlic is done, we will add the chopped tomatoes to it. Remember, we need to cook all this on medium flame. After cooking the tomatoes for 20 to 30 seconds, we will add all the spices, that is 1.5 teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1/2 teaspoon of roasted cumin powder, 1.5 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder and 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. We will cook these spices for about a minute and then we will add the chopped potatoes to it. Once the potatoes are properly mixed, we will add 4 green chillies split into half. Now at this point we will turn up the gas to high flame and cook this for another 2 minutes. Now we will add around 4 cups of water, that is around 600 to 800 ml of water into our dish, and we'll continue to cook it on high flame. After the water is completely mixed and comes to a boil, we'll cover it with a lid and cook it for another 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, we will take out some potatoes on our ladle and mash it with the help of a pestle. Or if you have a masher at home, you can even use that. We will only mash around half of the pieces and it doesn't need to be completely mashed. I like it like this since I feel mashed potatoes give it a better taste and gives a great texture to our gravy. After this, we will add our fried eggs to the dish and then we will add our final ingredient, that is finely chopped fresh coriander leaves. Try and mix it gently and just ensure you don't stir it too hard, otherwise you might break the eggs. We will cook this for another 2 to 3 minutes so that our eggs soak in the flavor of the curry. And that's it, our dish is done guys. I hope you liked the video guys and I hope you try the recipe at home. Please do let me know in comment section how it turned out for you guys. And please go subscribe to my channel if you haven't so that you get updated whenever I upload more such videos. Try the recipe out at home guys. I'll be coming back with more such videos. Until next time, take care.